Maruti Suzuki Victoris versus Hyundai Creta, two of the most talked about SUVs in India right now. One is all about mileage, and the other focuses on performance. Let's compare them side by side and see which one is the better pick for you. In pricing, both set very close. Victoris starts around 10.5 lakh and goes up to 19.9 lakh, while Creta starts at 10.7 lakh and stretches a little higher to about 20.2 lakh. Creta clearly has the stronger engine, 113 brake horsepower and 143 newton meters versus 101 brake horsepower and 139 newton meters on the Victoris. This makes Creta smoother and more confident for highway driving and overtakes. Victoris performs well for daily city use but isn't as punchy as Creta. In terms of transmissions, Creta's IVT is the more refined automatic, while Victoris offers a simpler 6-speed AT. Now let's look at size. Victoris is actually longer, slightly wider and taller than Creta, which gives it better road presence and more interior space. On bad roads, Victoris will feel more comfortable because of the 210mm ground clearance compared to Creta's 190mm. So overall, Victoris has the advantage in dimensions. This is where Victoris shines. With 19 to 21 kilometers per liter, it is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class, especially if you choose the hybrid. Creta usually delivers 16 to 18 kilometers per liter, which is decent but not as efficient. Boot space is almost identical, 439 liters on the Victoris and 433 on the Creta. And Victoris also gets a 5-star safety rating, while Creta currently has a 3-star rating, making Victoris one of the safer cars. Moving inside, the Victoris dashboard looks clean and modern, with a floating touchscreen and neat layout, but Creta definitely feels more premium. The larger screens, the design language, the overall finish, everything looks a class above. Both are feature-packed, but Creta has a more polished, richer cabin experience. In terms of seat comfort, both SUVs do well, but a Creta again feels more upmarket with softer cushioning and better materials. Victoris is comfortable and practical, but the cabin doesn't feel as premium. If interior ambience matters to you, Creta has a noticeable edge. So the question is, what do they offer overall? Victoris focuses on budget-friendly ownership, low maintenance, hybrid and CNG options, and excellent fuel efficiency, perfect for someone who wants low running costs. Creta is for buyers who want stronger performance, a premium interior, and an overall richer driving experience. So if your priority is mileage, low maintenance, economy, and overall value, then Victoris is the clear winner for you. But if you want a more powerful drive, more premium features, a richer cabin, and a better all-round SUV feel, then Hyundai Creta remains the stronger package. Both are great, but the right choice depends on what you value more: economy and practicality, or performance and premium comfort.